Hello, this is Blood Zombie 2005 and welcome back to another vlog. So I haven't been uploading lately. I was kind of busy. Kind of lazy. Didn't really have nothing to vlog or anything. But today I do have something to vlog, and we are going to be going on a bike ride. So yeah, let's go do it. Alright, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Um, she's joined us. I'm using a selfie stick right now. And people are probably gonna look like I'm ridiculous. So sorry guys if you hear so much wind. Um,
Um, he gave me the selfie stick, but I let him use it sometimes.
yeah.
Wait up!
What?
He has a taller back than mine. Mine's a little bit big.
Alright guys, just let me get going real fast.
Wait, no, my foot fell. Wait.
Ow. Alright, hold on guys, I'm just gonna set you down.
What zombie?
Sarah, you can call me Joe.
Well, call me Rainbow Unicorn.
I'm not calling you Rainbow Unicorn.
Whatever, I'll call him. What zombie? Did you know that there's blocking off this bullet tree? Because
Yeah.
there's lights over here.
Cause there's what?
There's lights over here.
Lice?
Yeah, lights is reinforcement.
I know what lice is.
Yeah, they're blocking.
There's not lice in there.
Yeah, there is, so we really can't have lights enough for that.
Sarah. Don't do that. Don't cut in front of me. Or I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you by accident. Turn. This way, right. Turn right. This way.
Guys, I'm seeing around the old house.
We can't tell them that. Switch my gears.
Wait a minute. Get away from me. I try to come around my He likes and he's riding with no pants.
Well, yeah, the vlog better.
Ow.
Yeah.
My teeth. Keep going like this.
How you doing, Sarah?
Wait for me.
Sarah, I have to get up this hill. Come on. Where's the bird? Well, you have to get your exercise, and I have to get my vlog.
Not vlogging.
Huh?
Not vlogging.
Yeah, I am, Sarah.
How are you vlogging?
This is vlogging.
Basically,
Vlogging my life.
another famous YouTuber.
No, Sarah, I'm not a
He
YouTuber,
said,
but... Huh? Well, people really do watch me, so... What? I'm not even... Sarah, I'm waiting. Well, I'm going as slow as I can. Whoa, move. So you're saying you're only an 11-year-old?
Yeah.
And your legs aren't that strong?
Yeah. Uh-oh, big hill.
We ain't going down that thing.
Why not?
You could. I ain't going down that.
Wimp.
Not when I have my phone. Go ahead, I'll vlog you.
Yay! Gonna have to go back up.
So then you go all the way up, and just ride right back down. Sorry guys if you hear so much wind. Go for it.
Wait, car. Hang on, Joey. Stop your brake.
I'm vlogging here.
Okay, you
Go
have
ahead.
to zoom in on
I will. Hold on.
me. Okay, ready? Alright, Sophie!
Good. How are you? Yeah.
Right back up with that.
You should have went all the way up.
Huh?
You should have went all the way up.
What do you mean?
All the way up the hill and then all the way back down.
Snap. Gotta bring my water bottle.
You couldn't hook it to your bike anyways.
I can always bring it back.
Like you're gonna carry that thing?
I'm dead.
You dead?
I mean, I'll go back down, but I'll go up that hill.
See, I don't want to ride down you because I have my phone with me. And
Yeah,
this is actually pretty heavy.
yeah, and his phone, and usually he
I'm gonna start using this more, Sarah. I'm gonna take this back because I totally forgot about this. This is so much easier, so much more easier to
But
vlog.
Joey, sometimes can I use it if I like
You
go on bike
can, but I'm
rides?
gonna be using it the most because I upload YouTube videos and I do get views on these.
So do I. I do on
Yeah, but you don't get as much views as me, Sarah.
I got 7 just subscribers.
7? Is that for your friends and? Yeah, that's why I
Well,
have
then my
25.
friends, and then I have 3 real YouTubers that check me out.
Yeah.
Ice Cream Gaming. I forgot this other guy's name, but he starts with C. And then one famous YouTuber. It was like this rabbit guy, like Rabbit Two. No, no, no. It was it was CJ the DJ that followed. That was the other one. And then I forgot the other one. I think it was like Rabid Rap Boxer.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna switch to the front facing camera. Alright guys, there we go. What's there?
Does anyone wear any press?
No.
Oh, you should have told them before we left.
Oh well. It's kinda gonna be.
Okay, so Joey, here's the deal. We get this week. Are you taking it to Anna's?
Yes.
Well, can I come with you to Anna sometimes?
Yeah, but not this weekend.
Yes, I am.
No,
I'm
you're
going.
not.
I'm going to Anna's this weekend. I told her.
She say it was okay? You didn't even, you didn't need that. You didn't even
Oh,
have.
and guys, check out my Musically. If you guys go on Musically is this music app where you like lip sing your music, and then check out my Musically. Sarah is cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No space. I have no other.
I'll put it in the link or the description.
Yeah, put it in the link. What? Look in the link below. And you gotta
Not the
follow
link,
me.
the description.
You follow me, I'll follow you. You follow me on Musically, I follow you on Musically. Yes, yeah, woo!
Oh my god. I almost ran over that thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
straight over squirrels.
holy god, that scared me. Holy god, hold on, I gotta stop. No, I can't. Oh
Joey,
my
you should
god.
have had that on the other camera.
Oh, I wish I had that on film. I was really close to running over that
He was
squirrel.
very well. Okay, see this twig? He was like this close.
I don't have it on the other camera. It's my back. It's my front
What if
facing.
he ran over that squirrel? Eat that area.
Nah, I would probably fall off my bike if I ran over it. Alright, ew, so you smell like skunk again. She farted, and her fart smell like skunk. Alright,
Getting something to do. Where you going?
wanna come with me?
What?
Wanna come with me?
Where?
I don't know. Maybe around the block again? Ow!
Go back and regress.
Huh?
Go back and regress.
Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go here. There'll be another vlog tomorrow. Um, alright, any last words?
Yeah, uh, guys,
Talk louder.
you guys can check out my Musically account. I have a couple of them. I have Smokey123. That's with one space, and then there's like a dog smiling and stuff is going. That's my dog Mel. And then I have Deer1234. Looks like I'm eating a strawberry roll, something like that. And then for my other one, for my Sarah is cool, no space. All the two are spaces. Sarah is cool, no space. It's a picture of a dog going, like sitting on him, or sitting on the floor. And then make sure you guys follow me, and I'll follow you. That's all you need to do. Is if you guys check out this video, Julia will put it in the link below what my uses are, and I guess I'm not sure if you will it or not. And then
Yeah, I will.
if you follow me, I'll follow you. Put that in the link below too.
What? To what?
Like if you
Instagram or
no, it doesn't really matter. You can put it on Twitter if you want.
follow? No, the descriptions, yeah. Like, what do you want me to put in there? All your,
Yeah, on my Musically account,
okay.
and then
Okay, you don't have to say them again.
wait, and then if you follow me, I'll follow you. And then that's all
On
you need.
Musically.
Yeah, Musically. If you guys don't know what that is, download it on your phone. It's really fun, you guys.
I'll
We're gonna
keep
do.
it, I'll put in the link. Alright, guys, I'm gonna let you go here. And peace out.
Peace.
Yeah, yeah.